Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I would do a video on how to apply false lashes, and this is a disclaimer. I have no idea how to apply false lashes. So this is going to be a learning experience for you and me. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my previous knowledge of all the things that I've heard about how to apply false lashes, and I'm going to try to do it here on camera. I have a feeling I'm going to fail miserably, but we will see if that happens actually. I currently don't have any mascara on. I think you're supposed to just put one thin coat of mascara on your top lashes before you apply falsies. So I'm going to do that. And I've also heard that you should put a liner on your lash line so that you have sort of like kind of like a guide for your false lashes for the line. I think I am going to do that here on camera. I'm going to apply my Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Fishnet. It's this little guy right here. And I'm just going to apply that right next to the lash line. Okay, so I've just applied some gel liner to my top lash line. For the false lashes, I'm just going to be using these Battington lashes in Monroe 3D silk lashes. I got these in my BoxyCharm box, and I think a couple months ago, I don't remember which month, and they just look like this. They look like this. So I've actually already cut them to fit my lashes because I was just playing around with them. I know that you're supposed to put the longer side on the outside and the shorter side on the inside. So this would be the shorter side right here. So it goes on my left eye, just like this. And I know you're supposed to angle it upwards, so it's like laying flat, because you can't even see that really. But you're supposed to kind of angle them up so that you can really see the lashes on your eye. When you're applying them, you should look kind of like down. I think you're supposed to look down into the mirror. So I'm gonna kind of do that like this. I'm looking into the magnetized mirror, and I'm just gonna look down when I apply them. I've also seen videos where you're supposed to kind of go like this to kind of make them not so stiff. You kind of have to like go like this. And for glue, I'm going to be using the Cardani Secure Hold Eyelash and Eyebrow Adhesive. I found this off of Amazon for pretty cheap. I know that Duo is the very popular lash glue, but I've heard that this is really good, so I'm gonna try this one out. I got white, or clear. I didn't get the darker colored. I'm gonna start with my left eye. So I think the real trick to this, to applying false lashes, is to let the glue get really tacky, like really tacky. So literally, I think I'm just gonna like wait a minute or two so that this glue gets super tacky. And I'm just gonna apply them with my fingers, I think, and then I'll like straighten them out with my tweezers. So I'm just really putting on this glue. Don't wanna get any on the lash part. So I'm just going to let the glue dry a little bit and get a little bit tacky. It kind of turns blue, like the glue. I don't know if you can see it, but it's turning like blue. I'm like so nervous right now. I seriously suck at putting false lashes on so bad. So this is a practice session with y'all. All right, I'm seeing the glue kind of disappear, so I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna put it on my lash now, looking down, angling up. Let's start at the outer corner, I'll align it. Every time I do this, they are so not comfortable at all. Like right now, it's poking my eye. that shouldn't be the case. Oh, I forgot to put mascara on. Well, I guess we're not doing that. Super duper poking. Why? No idea. This is so frustrating to me. But also, the glue dried too much in the inner corner and now I have to apply more. Yay me! Just applied it straight onto my eye. What the hey? How does it look? I think I completely failed and I think that it's very much poking me. I've also seen girls do this where they like angle it up. Push it up. Down. Don't know why. How am I supposed to get glue up in there, dude? How? The inner corner is just like up. Complete fail. Well, I think that's as good as that eye's gonna get. Let's try the other eye, shall we? See if the other eye will be a little bit better. By the way, I completely forgot to put mascara on. Whatever, I don't care. Maybe I'll put mascara on afterwards, even though it ruins the stupid lashes. I don't care. Next, right eye. Let's see if this eye is a little bit better. Some of the glue is left on it from when it was in the packaging. That's probably not a good idea to leave that on there. I'm a great YouTuber. I know how to do everything. I know how to do every eye look. I can do false lashes. I mean, as you can see. Oh, I can also do winged liner. That's my specialty. Come on. Stupid glue ball is like stuck to the freaking hair. How do they make it look so easy? It's not freaking easy, dude. It's not freaking easy. All right, take two. I have high hopes for this eye. It's drying. It's drying still. Okay, I'm gonna brave it now. Here we go. How does that eye look? Oh, I can feel them on my brow bone. That's weird. Looks kind of weird. Does it look weird? I think it looks like the other eye. If you can see them, I can definitely see them. Now I'm going to apply mascara, just a little coat of mascara to join the two lashes together. My fakes and my reals. I feel like these lashes are for a more smoky look. I went pretty natch today. By the way, this is the Kokie Cosmetics Volume and Length Mascara, if any of y'all were wondering. How am I looking? I think I'm looking okay. Not great. Okay. Okay? Okay. Taking the hair down. Let's see what this looks like with the hair down. Well, it's not perfect, but it'll do. It'll do. Well, how does it look zoomed out? Do you like it? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned a little bit. I think I did a lot better than I have in the past, for sure. Because in the past, I poked myself, I put them on too soon where the glue wasn't tacky yet. So that posed for a lot of failure. So tips, definitely let the glue get a little tacky. And I'd say like 10 to 20 seconds, for sure. Not a whole minute. Also practice. I think that practicing is a good thing. Well, that's all for this video. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more beauty and lifestyle videos. I post every Tuesday and I try to post Saturdays. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your week and I will see you soon. Bye. Das so wrap.